you and person get discussion for WhatsApp and the person set him phone say after 24 hours the message go disappear, and a message wey dey you very very important and the person don set am that way. First of all, you go first check as you and the person dey chat. You go first check. For example, if I go to this chat now, if I scroll, you go see say this person use 24 hours disappearing message. So you go check, you go see say once you open, I go see say the person use 24 hours disappearing message. So that wetin that mean say na after 24 hours anything wanna talk, after 24 hours e go disappear. So in a situation like that, wetin you go do? You no need to stress yourself, no need to panic. Once you and the person dey chat everything and the person use disappearing message to do am, so that everything wanna talk go go. Number one thing, na two things you go do. One, if na text, if na just normal typing una type, just screenshot am. Screenshot all the chats. As you dey screenshot am, you go dey save for your phone gallery. So when the person want deny, you go produce am out as evidence. Then number two, if you come be say na voice note the person send to you, if na voice note, wetin you go do? Just go to open your phone. If your phone get screen recorder, just open your screen recorder, set your screen recorder to record, then go to that chat, dey play the voice note one after the other, but make sure say your screen recorder don already dey record. Dey play the voice note one after the other. If this one finish, if the next one no play automatically, wetin you go do na to play the next one by yourself. When you don record everything finish, then you go what? If you don record everything finish, you stop am. Once you stop am, the thing go save automatically by itself. So you don dey save for your gallery. So anytime wey the person wan deny am, e go bring out the recorded video. As e take screen record am, e go bring am out, play am out for the person. So with that, you no go fit deny am. Because many people, especially when it comes to business matter, especially money matter, or to get the truth, most people dey set their chat for 24 hours disappearing, so that the thing wey dem do no go fit come outside. So na wetin you go take do to save yourself that mistake, because that mistake fit cost you a lot. Take note.